Welcome. This video is your guide to medical needs shelters. We'll cover eligibility, safety, and making your stay comfortable. Shelter should be a last option during emergencies. It is best to plan ahead to stay with family, friends, or in a hotel if possible. Prepare essential items like medication, equipment, money, and insurance cards. If you have no other place to go during an emergency, there are two options: general population shelters and medical needs shelters. Medical needs shelters provide support for individuals who require backup power for medical devices, refrigeration for medication, a climate-controlled environment, or medical cot. However, if direct medical care is needed, call your medical provider or 911, as medical care is not provided at medical needs shelters. Space is limited in medical needs shelters, and eligibility is based on specific criteria. In most cases, a caregiver must accompany the individual, as our staff cannot provide direct medical care. Call the Care Line at 1-855-472-3432 to check if you qualify. The Care Line will guide you and help answer any questions. If you don't qualify, you can find a general population shelter at scemd.org or by calling 866-246-0133. If your medical condition exceeds the capabilities of medical needs shelters, you'll be referred to the nearest hospital. If you qualify, a local representative will call and assist you in placing you in the nearest medical needs shelter. Transportation can be arranged if you cannot drive yourself. Bring all necessary items for daily living and health maintenance. Find recommended supplies on our website. At the shelter, our staff will help you with registration. Remember, everyone is under stress during emergencies, so please be patient and treat others with kindness and respect. Important shelter rules: no alcohol, drugs, weapons, smoking, pets, emotional support animals, or therapy animals are allowed. Make plans for sheltering your pets, emotional support, or therapy animals in advance with your county emergency manager, or seek family or friends' assistance. Service animals, dogs, and miniature horses are welcome, but you are responsible for their care. If you plan to leave the shelter temporarily, please inform the staff, and when you are ready to permanently leave the shelter, remember to check out at the registration desk. Please keep these points in mind. Shelters are a last resort, so stay with family, friends, or in a hotel. Medical needs shelters provide backup power and support for specific medical needs, but do not provide skilled nursing care. Call the Care Line at 1-855-472-3432 to check your eligibility for a medical needs shelter. If you need a caregiver, they must accompany you to the shelter at all times. If you don't qualify, find a general population shelter or receive a hospital referral. Bring all necessary items and medications to the medical needs shelter. Only service animals are allowed, and their care is your responsibility. Be patient and kind to others in the shelter. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask our shelter staff. Thank you for watching, and stay safe during emergencies.